UNDP Timor-Leste Realiza workshop Konaba Empreendedorismo na Energia Renova vel.
Terça-feira, e Hotel Novo Turismo Lesidere Dili, United Nations Development Program Iha Timor-Leste realiza workshop Konaba, the Youth Employment in Climate Action Platform no Empreendedorismo Energia Renova vel. UNDP Resident Representative Katina Argueta Hatete, objetivo desse workshop onde capacita foi saída no influência setor energia renovável e a nível local, nacional no internacional.
This workshop is more than just a program, it's a movement, a space built for youth to drive climate innovation and leadership. It will equip young people with training and skills to understand and address climate challenges and energy transition. Support youth-led startup and projects that offer real, scalable climate and green solutions. Empower youth to influence renewable energy sector at local, national, and even international level. Provide access to a valuable network of change makers. The Timorese youth have already engaged themselves in numerous climate actions. UNDP has worked with them in different initiatives, including environmental protection, climate resilient infrastructure, sustainable agriculture and fishery, renewable energy, and integration of youth perspective into national public policy, including the National Determined Contribution NDC.
A junta chefe missão Embaixada Japão Iha Timor-Leste Fiarkata, ideia inovativa no prática os jovens foi insaída maca crucial a tu forma futuro nessa união.
We believe that innovative and practical ideas from young leaders like you are critical for shaping the future of this country. I encourage you to fully engage in this camp and think critically and explore ways to enrich this nation while ensuring sustainable growth. Japan is proud to support this initiative as part of our broader commitment to sustainable development of Timor-Leste. We have strong faith in the power of youth in finding innovative solutions.
Assessor técnico Eletricidade e Gabinete CES, atual presidente do Conselho de Administração EDTLEP, atual apreciação para UNDP no programa que oferece a linha ministerial no juventude Sira, onde a Sira tem capacidade no conhecimento de esse projeto setor energia renovável.
Thank you so much for UNDP for hosting this insightful program for youth, and it's very important for youth in Timor-Leste for involving solar PV project because in the future it's we have the government also has established our strategic plan 2011-2030 to achieve 50% of energy mix from renewable energy resource, and this GS project is one of that. It's totally renewable energy. So this is what the government set for to achieve our commitment. And not only that, but sooner Timor-Leste will be a part of ASEAN, which is renewable energy. Energy sector is one of the sectoral area that need to be aligned with ASEAN energy platform.
Entretanto, a atividade workshop participa os representantes da linha ministerial, universidade, geração Radome Natureza, juventude Radome Natureza, Raila Timor-Leste, Youth Community Care, no convidado Siracelog.